In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discovery Plus if it isn't working on your Insignia Smart TV. I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get it back up and running again. The first one, it's probably the easiest one to try, and that is to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset on your TV, so make sure that you try this method. If that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you your Wi-Fi and unplug the power source to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If it fixes it, great. If not, let's go ahead and move on to the next method. Try deleting the Discovery Plus app on your TV. Go to wherever the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Discovery Plus app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all your credentials, but hopefully this worked. If this doesn't work, then I recommend buying an affordable Roku stick or Amazon Fire Stick. Plug that into your TV and use that as your main streaming player, and you'll be able to access Discovery Plus that way. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.